I know you have been seeing this kind of videos. You have been seeing this kind of editing whereby somebody will bring out one part of her body or his body, maybe the head, the hand, or any other part, and you have been wondering, how was he able to achieve this? How did he edit this thing? So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step, guys, on how you can edit this kind of videos. It is very, very simple. In our Capcut, we are going to just 3 prompts and we are good to go. So let's dive into it immediately. When you open your Capcut, you click on new projects. So I import the first video I made when I'm trying to catch the head. So I will see it. We look at it, you see when I'm trying to catch the head. That is the first video I'm going to import. You see it? That's the first video I'm going to see where I'm trying to catch it. See my movement. That will be the first video you are going to do. Then when you are done with that, then you click on overlay. This is the second video I made where I'm just shaking my head. See the movement of my head. So that is what I'm going to import. As I imported the second video, what I'm going to do is I want to clip only the head. That is what I want. I will go to remove BG. When I open it, then I will go to custom remover. If I click on custom remover, then I will click on brush. Then the particular one will enable me to brush out where I need. So just look at it. I'm going to brush out only the head, you see. I'm going to brush out only the head. So when I brush out only the head like this, look at by your left side, look at it very well. It's rotating, it's coming. Because this particular head alone is what we need. So we want to remove the entire body, the other part of the body. Now, it's only the part that you need that you are going to brush. If I brush the body, that means the head will go, only the body will remain. If it was like I just brush the head, so the body will go, then only the head will remain. The brush is a kind of tell the app that this is what I want, other ones should leave. That is what the brush key does. This is the same way you can also remove any other part, such as the leg or the hand or any part you may want to remove. In case if you have any other video idea you want to create, maybe where there is no one hand, you can also do that. This is a very simple editing. The good aspect of it is that you just require 3 prompts. It's just 3 things you are going to use in this app. First, now we have used this brush to get only the head. It's just remaining 2 other things to click. Just 3 clicks and we are good to go. See what we cut out. See it here. It's only the head that is in this particular one. Then what we are going to do is, remember we use custom remover and use the brush. Then you are going to go back, then look for mask. See mask, M-A-S-K. Then we choose the circle one. See the circle, then go and clip it here. This will enable it to make sure that at any point the whole body will not show. Just clip it anyhow you want it. Use this arrow by the side and get what you want. If you get the particular hairs you want, no, we don't want it, it's too small. I think it's okay like this. You see it, this is what you clip it in such a way that you hold it firm, that at any point the whole body is not going to show. So this is the second key you are going to use. Then you clip, after masking it the way you want, then you just clip on good. You see, it's already masked. So no matter how you move it now, it's only this head that you will see, no body again. You have already clipped it, it's only this head. You see, no matter how you move it, it's only the hair you are going to see. Then the next you are going to do it, go and put it off where you are going to catch it. So this second one now, go back hold it and move back to where you start catching, because that is the point. Now see, now where you start, where your hand move to start catching, this is where you start catching. You see, this is where you start catching. So what we are going to do is, now let me shift it a bit before you start catching. So this is where it start catching. So the head, move it inside the hand like you just catch. See, out from the place. If you watch now, it's on top of the hand small. Then use this key. You see, you have hold it firm. Then you keep shifting. See, as your hand is shifting out, be shifting it inside your hand. Whenever you shift, it have already pinned by himself. Then you keep moving again. Your hand shifted again. Shift the head also to your hand, it have pin again. Then you just shift. As you are shifting, then shift the hand here. You see, that is how it's done. So when you have comfortable place your hand down, you also come and shift it like this. So you see it. So you place it, and wherever your hand goes, you place it, then it will pin. You place it, then it is pinned. So let's watch it so that you understand what happened here. Let's start from here. Here now it is off. So let's watch and see. You see the movement. Just very simple. If you love what you are watching, please like, comment, let me know how you want to do this yourself. Would you want to try it? Let me know in the comments. This is a very simple editing, and one good aspect of it is that when you learn one, you can use it and do a multiple editing like this one. Hope you learned it. If you have any question, drop in the comments. I will attend to it.